कर्पूर गौरम करुणावतारम संसार सारम भुजगेंद्रहारम सदा वसंतम हिर्यार्धबिंदे भवम भवानी सहितम नमामि। हे कपूर के समान गौरण बण वाले प्रभु, करुणा के अवतार, संसार के मूल तत्व, नागों का हार के समान धारण करने वाले, संसार के हृदय रूपी कमल में निवास करने वाले आप पार्वती के सहित मेरे हृदय में हमेशा निवास करें। लॉर्ड शिवा, whose color is like the camphor, and he is bearing the garland of the snakes. They live in my heart with Mother Parvati. Always I pray Lord Shiva again and again. He is the incarnation of the pity on me. मूकं करोति वाचालं पंगुलंघुते गिरं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानंदमाधवम्। जिन भगवान विष्णु की कृपा से गूंगा वाचाल बन जाता है और लंगड़ा पहाड़ को लांघ जाता है, उन परम आनंद देने वाले भगवान माधव को मैं बार बार नमस्कार करता हूँ। The dumb can speak very fluently, and the lame person can climb on the high mountains. The Lord Vishnu, I pray him again and again to Lord Vishnu. He is the protector of all of us, and he is savior also all of us. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामया, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। हे प्रभु, सभी सुखी हों, सभी निरोगी हों, सभी कल्याणकारी मार्ग को देखने वाले हों, किसी को भी किसी प्रकार का दुख न हो, ये मेरी आपसे प्रार्थना है। ओ लॉर्ड, आई प्रे दैट देयर विल बी नॉट grief to anyone, all will be free from the disease, and there will be not any kind of the crisis of any person. I pray to God again and again. Sanskrit language is the divine language. We have said to the all students of our school that they give the significance about Sanskrit learning more and more sloks, and also they have to understand the sense of all the sloks, and they have to follow them. These are, if we are doing the importance about these sloks, we are understanding, we are hearing, then it is surely that there will be peace in the society, peace in the country. These sloks are to making the characters good. These sloks are very excellent, very nice for all the students have to learn and also hear and follow them. Whatever any person think, whatever any person see, and whatever he thinks, he makes like that. Therefore, thought is very important. Without action, thought is taken. Thought is very important. Whatever we are talking, thought we are thinking, it is changing into our action, and we are making like that. We are good or bad according to our actions. Therefore, I request all the students, they have to be the very nice character by following the Piyush sloks of Sanskrit. I have spoken. This is the purpose that you have to change. I have spoken of all the slok into Hindi. You have to, if you are not understanding Sanskrit, then you are understanding Hindi. Translate Hindi to English. These are in the examination. This is very important for the view of examination. This point is very important for you, that you are preparing Hindi to English translation. All these sloks I have spoken into Hindi, then I have translate in English. You have to, if you are not understanding the words of Sanskrit, then you are understanding the simple language of Hindi. You have to translate the Hindi to English. All of the students have to. This is the purpose, that you are improving your English, and this is for all the students of the Hindi medium or English medium. You can change, you can translate each of the word of the heart of the word of the Hindi is translated into English. You can hear my videos and also try. Don't be complain that we are not understanding. This is very simple language in Hindi. I have spoken all these Hindi the sentences. I inform of the all students of my school that they have to give attention about this translation from Hindi to English by Sanskrit. First I have spoken Sanskrit, then I understood this in the simple language of Hindi. After that I have translated it into English. Therefore all students have to be attention these to translate. Unless you are unable, for the English medium students, you are unable to understand the language English to Hindi, then you are not able to give the answers, not mathematics, not science, not social study. Therefore this is very important for you, that we have begin the very important mission for you, that you have to translate from Sanskrit to Hindi to English. All of the students have to do this. These are beneficial for you for the speaking fluency of English, also for your point of view of the examination. You can write the long answers by on the basis of improving your English. Therefore learn more and more words of English, and also development of the personality. English is very important for you. Not only English but also Hindi, Sanskrit, these are important for you. But English is point of view, these for the English medium students is very important for you, that learn the more words, and you have to try to explain the anything into English fluency. There will not be hesitation, there will not be complaining that we do not know. Unless you are not understanding English, you are not able to give the answers, and you will be only pretending that we are not understanding whatever is spoken. These are the problems of you, that you do not pay attention, you are not working hard in the your study, you are not paying attention about your study. This is your duty that you have to learn more and more words and also improve yourself. Self praise, self help is the best help. Unless you are not trying, other person, any teacher cannot impose you that you will hear, you will ask, you will be able to speak in English and explain the English unless you are not learning the word meanings again and again. This is the property of any person. He forget. If we have learned anything 3 or 4 months ago, now we will forget. This is naturally. We have to revise again and again. Revising again and again we can understand and we will be able to improve our education. Education is most important for students. I have spoken many times about the education. This is the backbone in the developing of any country. Educated person, either he is not getting the government service, but he can do very best in his life. He can understand the problems of the country. He will be, if he is really educated person, then he can understand the real problems and he can solve these very simply, and there will be not the impatience in him. He will solve. Any uneducated person is the curse. He will not understand and he lead the life hardly. Really educated person is that person who will solve the problems each kind very peacefully. Education is most important for you. Therefore, I inform all the students of my school that they have to give the importance about their education. They should not waste the time in the leave of corona disease. They have utilized their time in their study online doing. I have made many of the videos. They have to use the videos and also learn all the words and improve. There will be amendment your education on the videos seeing YouTube. I have told you the code number SP 1510 Singh. You can open this on the YouTube channel. This is our channel.